As a data analyst, here are some few tricks you need to know. Let's look at the problem here. Now I have data in column C, which is written in this form, but I want to separate it so that the 87 could be in the first round, then the 76 could also be in another round. Doing this manually can take forever. So this is going to waste a lot of time. So the quickest way we should do this on a normal way is to use a text split. Now we select the number, you write the delimiter. Now in this case, we normally use a space or a comma or whatever is separating them. So if I use the space and press enter, it's bringing all of them together in one place. Now if I change the space and make it a comma, it's still not working. The reason being that the data is not really separated by a space or a comma. You can see one is above, one is below. So to solve this, we have two ways of doing it. The first one could be that maybe we have to edit this and make sure we put a space in between, so we can update the formula as well. So in this case, it's going to work, which means that if we can always be changing this in this way, then it's going to work, but it's still going to take forever to do. So it's definitely a waste of time as well. So the question is, how long can you be doing this? We have a lot of data here to do. So it means that the text split function alone can't work in this case too. So now let's look at a very nice way to go by this. So let's put all this back to where they were. So now we need to use combo of formulas in this case. We have to use the index formula, text split, and also the character formula. So to do this the right way, then it should be index. I bring the text split. Now I select the number, so that is the text, comma. Then I also bring this formula, character. I bring another comma. Now I'll write 10. There are many numbers and what they mean. In this case, the 10 is a line break. Line break means that one of the items are at the top, one is below. And to do this, you can just click the number, hold Alt and press enter, then you get the line break. Now let's close the bracket, then comma. Now we want the first item here to show, so 1. Close the bracket, enter. Now it's here. So for us to do for the second one, we can repeat the same formula, but this time we change the 1 to 2. Let's just copy the formula and paste it here. And now instead of 1, let's just write 2. So it's going to be like this. We now separate those two. So we can now add our formatting and other things. So I can just double click here and the rest is generated. So in this case, that is the only way we can solve it, because if we want to go by the other approach, it's going to be very slow. So if you like videos like this, like, follow the page, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.